we have just determined different quantities related to the same project. Okay, this is just a small project, and this is the abstract of different materials. Okay, now in the same session, which is the last session, we will be just determining the abstract of cost from the MRS, or you can say market rate schedule. The MRS can be different depending on the country, depending on the location, and even depending on the province. Okay, you can see market rate system MRS 2022 data is just available. Okay, and the website of Finance Department, Government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So you can just download this. I have already one MRS which is old, but does not matter. We are just learning the method. Okay, I'll be just using this thing. 2020 does not matter. For the abstract of cost, the first thing I should have is actually the serial number, and then I'll be just providing the description, and then we must have the quantity, and then the rate from the MRS, and of course we'll be just including the unit, and then finally the amount. If you see, we have different materials up to serial number 9, like maybe you can say the excavation, which is serial number 1. So I have to write all those things. You can just even copy and paste them from the same Excel sheet. Okay. Now its quantity, if you see the total quantity data is 962 approximately. You can see it is 61.1 something. Okay. Now serial number 2, that is of course just the PCC work. Now serial number 3, that is of course the brickwork in the foundation. Then we have serial number 4, that is of course the brickwork in superstructure. Okay. Number 5, and that is the DPC. And number 6, let's see, that is RCC work, which is 124. Parapet wall, or maybe you can say Chajja. I'll just write Chajja, does not matter. And then number 8, that is plaster work. Finally, we have the whitewash, which is number 9. Now, their quantities, which I just forgot and did not include it yet. Okay. So the whitewash that is just known, which is of course 43 and 11. You can see that, okay, SFT, and the, of course, plaster work, which is also known, and that is, let's say, 4,299.9 something. Okay. And there is, of course, the Chajja. If you see, that is just 124, and that's in running feet. Okay, so we have 124, or let's say 125. We'll just, you can say, take a round video. Now the RCC work, 529. And then let's see the DPC, which is of course 320. Now the brickwork and superstructure, that is going to be, of course, the lintel brickwork, which is 1515, and then brickwork and the foundation. Of course, this is going to be, we're here, which I guess we have not yet added, is the overall work. Okay, you can see it. We're here. Okay, this is the brickwork and the foundation. So let's just add them all, and I'm gonna just insert one raw, so we can have the total brickwork. Okay, work in foundation, and I'm gonna just include or maybe select one extra cell for the summation, and just click that summation. We're there. Okay, so we have 438.7 CFT. So we have 360.4. And this is what we have. Now I'm going to close this thing and let's just save it. Does not matter. Okay, we have this thing now. And you can say some materials. Okay, let me just wrap the text so we can see it. Okay, all the text in the same column or cell. Now openings of doors, etc. You can include that in terms of area, does not matter, but I'll take this is overall. Okay, like maybe unit. Now as you can see, this is MRS. At the very start, as you can see, it is market rate system, and this can be actually, we have some detailing or maybe some notifications related to this guy. There are some area factors, of course, and some location factors, because rates may be different according to the location, according to the province, according to the district. Okay, and we have some conversion tables which we don't need, of course. We're here in the same session. So we have these informations, and here, as you can see, we have table of content. If you need to determine something quickly, as you can see, let's say the earthwork. Okay, In the earthwork, we may have excavation and embankment, and that is on page 9. Okay. If you just type earthwork over here, that's also gonna work for you, no problem. Okay. Just search that over there and click the arrow. As you can see in the same abstract of cost, we have excavation, and that's of course in the soft or maybe organic soil. So let's just look for the excavation. Okay. As you can see, we have excavation in hard rocks requiring blasting. Okay, this is just a small project, does not have any blasting. Okay, let's just look for the same earthwork. Okay, as you can see, we have the excavation in shingle or gravel formation. However, our soil that is just soft, so we may have excavation over here. Okay, just a you can say a very simple excavation, earth excavation, undress up to single throw up KC porch, etc. Okay, excavation undress up to single throw. Okay, so these things can be taken very simple, okay, because they are not that huge work. You can say hard data, maybe there is no rock in the same work. Okay, as you can see, we have earthwork and ashes, sand and soft soil or self clearance. Okay, so this is good. You can see, but this is up to 15 meter. Okay, our work is just in the same limit. And as you can see, there are actually systems. You can see the British system and then the metric system. Our work that is actually in the FPS system or maybe in the British system, because we have determined everything, okay, in CFT, in SFT, or maybe in running feet. Okay, we don't have anything in the metric system. So let's just see the excavation over here. We have the unit, which is of course 1000. Okay, so the unit that is actually 1000 for the same work, like maybe you can say 1000 CFT, that is 1000. And the rate, if you see the labor, if you need only labor, you can take this value, but I'll take the composite because we need the abstract of overall cost, maybe the cost of construction. Okay, so that is just 4057.2, 4057. This is just, you can say the rate, and this is RS 4057.2. This excavation can be done, or you can say this is the cost of 1000 CFT work. Our work is not that much. As you can see, this is not even 1000. Okay, so what should be the amount? Now, if you see, we have actually this rate, and this is per 1000 CFT work. So you can even divide that by 1000. Okay, but first let's just multiply this with the quantity. And then we will just divide the same thing by the unit. You can say this one, okay? Like divide it by 1000 and then press enter. So this is going to be just the excavation rate for the same project, okay? 3,903 rupees, you can say. The amount, you can just say, let's include one bracket, like maybe RS or PKR. Your countries, you can say unit or maybe the currency can be different. Okay, we're here, this is a Pakistani currency or maybe PKR. Now PCC work, which is 136, and as you can see, we have a concrete, okay, on page 28. Okay, let's just type 28 over here, that can access to the same place or not. 20, yes, this is concrete. You can see it over here. Okay, chapter number 6. Now, mud, concrete, and foundation. Okay, our work is concrete, but that's not mud concrete. We have cement concrete, and that's of course in the foundation. Plain cement concrete, including placing, compaction, finishing, and curing, which is a ratio is that is actually 1:4. Our ratio that is actually 1:36. Okay, so you have to even consider the ratio, which is 1:36. And I guess I should take this guy, okay, which is you can say this guy that has just been selected. You can see that, okay. So the unit is actually 100 CFT. So I'm gonna take the unit is 100 CFT, and the rate. Let's see the rate that is actually the composite rate, which is 16,769. Okay, so we have 16,769 point something, if I can remember that, 0.17. That's of course. So we have this rate. This is the same formula. Just drag it below, and as you can see, we have this total amount. Okay, like maybe you can say D4. That is of course the rate, and we're going to multiply that with the quantity, which is C4, you can see it, and then we will divide that by the unit, which is of course 100. So this is it. Now the brickwork and the foundation. Let's just see. Okay, we have brickwork. It's over here, brick masonry, okay? And as you can see, first class brickwork and mud, mortar, building and foundation and plan. First class brick in mud, this is in mud, okay? And we will actually look for the cement mortar. As you can see, this is first class brickwork in the foundation and plinth in the cement. And of course, that is 1:3. The work is 100 CFT. And the composite rate, that is of course 26, 867. Okay. So you can say the rate, that is 26, 667, 667.13. The unit is of course 100, and we will just drag the formula below.